I'm streaming way later than I expected, but I had to finish some stuff at work. You all should go to my amazing blog. Let me just post it in chat. When I get the link, of course. WDS part 3. Okay, there's my blog. Let's get the link. Okay. Let me just reply to Mo's message. Okay, up. Okay. So the last thing that I did was add box trigger. This guy. They are all the same, so what is this? I need to remove this stupid name. Interesting. So yeah, let me get the music going on. Add box trigger. This guy. Remove from world processing. Could it be this one? I don't think so. This is only a sign. Load scene. Seems like an assignment, but for what exactly, right? F4. That's like create entity. This is hard to say. Oh, maybe lens flare, that's what it's saying there. Yeah, really. How do I figure this one out? So I just realized that set translates is right. Okay. Let me just create a work item before I create a... Okay, I can't forget this. Entity v table, yeah. What the heck? Or maybe, so add box trigger and then there's this, right? But I'm so... What is this guy doing? Why does it think it's a lens flare? No one knows. But this guy... Yeah, it doesn't help either. Entity info. Okay. Oops. So, not good. Load meter. Oh, it basically sets how uh, 80. Okay, that's 80. Always 80. So it seems to always take 80. Okay, maybe I can't do this one, sadly. It's really hard to find out what's actually using this. But I can look around, right? Oh. Oh, pff, okay. Add box. So, add box trigger, okay. That does it. So this is the box trigger IFC. No, entity. This is another entity constructor. Okay, this is the create. Wait, box trigger IFC right here. Create box trigger IFC. Maybe I can go into this, right? And see what what's it actually about. Okay, let's actually do that. Box trigger. Yeah, box trigger interface. Alrighty. Seems to only be used there. Yeah. So it calls add box trigger here. Create entity. Oh, but there's an assignment before. Yeah, okay. Some kind of strange assignment before. Okay, doesn't really matter. So the size of box trigger. So I can start the stream. Yeah. Box trigger interface. That's cool. Now I need implementation details. So CPP. Oh, empty. Hey, yo, what? Okay. Box trigger interface. Include my assertions. Patch. So I'll probably need this later today, so... Wow, it's taking a while to load my disk. For some unknown reason. Okay. So, why is it taking so long to write to my disk? It's NVMe SSD, so... Let me just drink some water. Okay. DLL main. Validate box trigger interface. Yes. My validation. Actually, it goes here. Box trigger interface. Oh, it passes. Okay, that's really good to know. So maybe I can go to entity. Entity.h. Let's just do this. And what else do I need? I need to get entity CPP. Okay. That's fine. And yeah. Box trigger interface. What else do I need? So box trigger interface. Oh, so indirectly I'm testing convex box. That's cool. That's coolio. Input manager. Yeah, this is a big rebuild. Ta-da! Good stuff. So let's go here and get entity object. Yes. Why is it taking so long today to read stuff from disk? So weird. Don't tell me my NVMe is dying. I don't think that's the reason. Wait. Okay, I know what happened. Create. Tee. This guy. Oh, that's interesting. So there's that thing. Okay, this is not right. So box trigger IFC should be at CC. So entity interface, right? My box trigger. Okay, I can go down here. It should be at CC. Okay, so my box trigger interface should be at this position, which it isn't. So when I validate this, why did you only go there? As you can see, I get BC. So it's time to fix that. So where did I put it? Oh, I put it here. So sound interface. Where the hell is sound interface? Okay, sound interface is there. So this is at 8, this is at C. Okay. But now I should remove this padding over here because I added that. Now it should be fine. So I didn't replace anything yet, which is okay. Okay, D0, but got D4. Frame time info. Okay, so box trigger skeleton. I believe one of these is in the correct place, so let's just put it here. Notes. Skeleton, I don't know yet. Okay. Okay. This is the way to do it. And it causes... Okay. Validation. It's still not working. What? Expected F4. So oh, I actually need that padding. Okay. Hopefully that's the last time that I need that. My interface, my fancy interface. Oh my, still not working. Expected, but got E0. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Okay. Please work. Entity. Yeah. Doesn't give me confidence, this class. It actually destroys my confidence. Oh wow. Okay, should be done. Nice, okay. So git add. So somewhere, somehow, so let's just go into box interface header, right? It calls entity interface, which whatever, doesn't really matter. Set box info. That might be the function that is doing the wonky stuff, right? So if I go here and look for set box info, it should be here. It's oh wow, okay, that's cool. Ah, now I understand what happened. It's some really weird inlining. So convex box right here, and apparently I removed export. That's fine. So the constructor. So there's a copy constructor there. Why did I remove the contents though? It's time to understand why it passed me convex box. Maybe there were no contents. Ah, okay. What? Okay. That what? That was actually stupid on my side. So there's indeed contents and convex box VCPP, right? But let's just be sure it's the name. There's only one function here. Yeah, the copy constructor and some very okay. I'll just copy this. That's right. Go get him, tiger. This guy. I forgot to copy this. So now you do box trigger interface, and you do convex box. I don't know the size of convex box, but we'll figure it out. So convex box seems to be fine here, and here you just do validate. Oh, I just realized that everything is public, so I won't need anything. Okay, that's cool. My validation. Validate controller. What? Patch convex box. I guess that was the inline stuff. Nice. Oh, I know the problem. I need to add convex box CPP to the project. Never forget to save the make file. Let's go. Oh, sweet. So I know that the validation will fail. Maybe 78. Makes sense that it's 78. But most importantly, let's open convex box object, right? I don't know if it will even show up in the other version, right? Convex. It shows. Construct array. Where is it used? World Dynamic System parsing. Oh. So it does show up here. This guy. This guy. I can see it. Convex box. Okay. Doesn't really matter. That's interesting. So there's this weird float value. Wait. Planes. So the empty constructor, okay. What about the other constructor, the copy constructor? Constructor array. Triggered. So box triggered. I don't know if I have any box trigger. Yeah, but this is a different thing. How am I gonna address this? What the hell? What are these values? Oh, it's being assigned, right? Yeah, this doesn't look right. This is really cool. Do I have any convex box code? Okay. Oh, here it is. So let's just define convex box. It seems to be nothing. So this char last. Nice. So do I have a vector for D somewhere? EC algebra. I think I know what it is. Okay. Vector for D. I do have it. So planes. Doesn't explain. Oh, bounding box. There's also a bounding box included. So the constructor of vector for D doesn't do anything. So, okay. Okay, this is just telling me there are 6 of size 16. So that's actually comes from bounding box. That's interesting. So, convex box parsing. Where is the memory? Crazy. So it looks like it has size 8C here. For some reason. Struct convex box char 8B char last. So here we go. Ah, no. So I got played. Box IFC. Box trigger. Here. It's 80. Come on, man. I should have known this. So this guy. Now I can just do convex box here. Just define a... Nice. That's cool. No, no. I messed up. Uh-huh. So planes is not there. Planes is here. Okay. Why? It actually needs more. Okay. I guess these are the two V tables. Okay, that's the entity, I guess. That's weird. I have no idea what... So this looks like to be the bounding box. Okay. So, okay. Let's keep going, right? Bound. Okay, there's the bounding box. I don't think there's anything to see there. Bounding box. Compute bounding box. Sort by bounding box. Oh wow. It'll be really hard to... But we know that since this looks fine, then it must be correct. Or might be correct, I mean. So, bound CPP. Is it one of those that it's header only? Yeah, okay. Looks like to be fully header. So you can just do this. Kind of cool. Everything is public, so yeah. Box trigger interface. Yeah, right here. Validates bounding box and patch bounding box. Patch bounding box. Okay, so oh no, patch bounding box. Okay, that's fine. So the size of bounding box should be really easy to calculate, right? It should be 2 vector 3D, so it's 12, 12, 24. It's 24 bytes. Yeah. I still have that error with convex box. That's fine. So validate size, bounding box. And here I can say the size is 24. Nice. Okay. That's indeed correct. What else do I need from this video game? Oh yeah, convex box, right? Convex box. Apparently it is only 78. Okay. So now I need to define struct bounding box vector 3D vmin vector 3D vmax. That's cool. Just put it here. Bounding box. I have no idea what it should be called in box. In convex box, I mean. It should be bbox. Bbox. Yes. Perfect. When you go here, voila. Okay, dude. So validate. Yeah, I don't have any virtual thing, so planes is 0. And bbox should be at. Wait a moment. Convex box should be 78. What the fuck am I doing here? Wait. Seven C. What? It should only be 7C. As of convex. Yeah, I have some deep problems. Okay, let's redefine it. 7B. Bam. Okay. Okay. So convex box. Okay. At the beginning there's the planes. And then I think I can add the B box. I guess there's some extra padding there. Okay, bounding box. I guess. Okay, now it makes more sense. So box trigger. Okay, yeah, exactly. That's a box trigger interface, and it contains a convex box. Okay. This guy contains a convex box. No, okay, I need to be more careful. Contains a V table. So can this void V table? Doesn't really matter, I don't give a shit. And what's the other? Convex box. So now you do how can convex box be that size? Wait, there's something really weird about this. So the size is 80. Okay, okay. Now I understand. So it's a box trigger interface. This is a box trigger interface. Okay, now it makes sense. I was gonna lose my mind for a moment. Okay, now it makes more sense. Not here. So convex box is a 78. So this means it's the last. And then I need the bounding box. I'll just steal it from here. Edit type, see syntax, yeah. Yes. This is what I expected to have. And then struct. Okay, I'll just copy what I have here. Box trigger interface. No. But how? Box. I'll just figure this one out. This is the name of the things is just. Yeah, I'm just tired today. I'll need to think about this deeply. It's not a very complex thing though. There's a lot of, it's like a matryoshka of things to do. I got 8. Okay, so there are like 2 vtables things. So okay, this, and there's the convex box. This is so stupid because I know exactly what this is. This is the entity interface. IFC. Okay. Okay. Maybe base IFC. Okay, doesn't matter. Much better. I was going crazy with this. So entity interface. Entity. Yeah, it's messed up. So convex box. It's too big here. Okay. So entity interface. Yeah. Here it's a convex. The fuck is the name of the thing? Just kind of destroyed my mind. Okay. Alrighty. So looks like everything is falling into place now. Let's just do so box is at 8. What is 60? Calc. Calc is short for calculator, by the way. 3C. No, I've got some errors. No. Expected 3C, but got 60. Oh. At 66. Okay. So git commit validation box interface. No, box trigger interface. Convex box and bounding box. Yeah, just making mush out of my brain. So do I have entity open still? I do. That's dope. That's dope. Right here. Okay. So create box trigger IFC. That looks much better. So I need to get entity. And on CC, put my, okay, actually I can say box trigger interface. My box trigger interface. Or actually, just IFC. IFC. IFC, okay. That's not done. I need to do something similar on this one. For the C. Actually, I made the same mistake. And beautiful. Okay. So this looks fine, right? But this is not perfect for one reason, and one reason only, which is the vtable. I need to make sure that the vtable generic why is it a weak pointer though? This vtable seems to be actually populated, right? Where's the box trigger interface? Ah, okay. Copy. So there's a non-generic copy method. Okay, I almost missed it because of all of these crazy shenanigans, but I know it's this one. So box trigger interface. Okay, it just looks really good. So copy. I thought there was a... So I'll need to declare a virtual method. Batch added. Does it return anything? I don't think so. Yeah, okay. Export void copy box trigger interface. I was going to be a little silly and make it const box trigger interface. Oh, it actually takes a pointer. Okay. So yeah, so this box equals a2 box. It's literally that. There's nothing too crazy. Is it just that? Because so there's a couple methods that I should mark as okay after this because they are called implicitly, and that's what made my work a little harder. Dun, 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 dun. If I make this void, that's beautiful. So copy and box trigger interface. Did I forget to save it? What? Should be there, no? Got 11 warnings. Dun, Okay. So I went with entity because it has create box IFC, right? Create box. Ah, but it lives in a different module. Oh, now I understand. I'm sorry. Just wanted to be way too smart. Oh my, another wrong one. Box trigger interface. Yeah, this is the correct one. Oh, and it's just immediate at doing the thing. He did the thing. Okay, let's call this E2 for good measure. Looks fine. It looks really good. Okay, so this method over here, what's the name? 60. Not the name, the size, 68. And okay, this is perfect for me. So let's have the first patch of the day, right? So I can do patch push red poly. This guy, box trigger interface, copy. And I'll need this name for here. Done. Git diff. Yeah. So, okay, matching. Is it matching though? So, right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should we offset 8, right? So validate with table. Copy. Should be really quick. No, it failed. Of course it failed. I got 7. Oh no, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah. I need to learn how to do the math, man. The math, not the math. Okay. It looks fine. What else do I need? I guess it's fine. So git status, git if, git commit, box trigger interface, copy. Okay. So the next thing that I need to do is going to convex box, right? It's kind of funny that the copy constructor seems to go like this, right? Can I know for sure that this is not the one being... Yeah, okay, I can know for sure because it's not inlined. So yeah, that's the way that I know. So okay, matching. So git commit, convex box void. That's one thing. And vector 4. Yeah, okay. Now I need to go into PC algebra. Yeah, this guy. So, okay, matching. Git commit vector 4D. Okay. So there's vector 4D. It's bounding box. Okay. Matching. So bounding box. Okay, that's cool. That I can just do this. Okay. So I also did box create box trigger interface indirectly or directly by doing it. Which is really cool. Okay, now I can go to Mr. Entity. I need to go to the patch part and say patch push ret. Yeah. This guy come here and you just add to the big number. I just did this. Create box trigger and interface. This should work. Is not a member of entity. What? Now it worked. I don't have entity anymore. I want to name it properly. Create box trigger IFC. Yeah, this guy. That's cool. Yeah, okay. How did this all start? Why was I doing bounding box or create box interface stuff? That's a really good question that I don't know how to answer. Just kidding. It's going to WDS. So entity is preloaded. This looks like a simple thing. Doesn't seem to exist though. Maybe it got in line, so just to be safe, it should be above it. This guy. So it should be okay. Yeah. Okay. It doesn't seem to exist. Unload scene. Okay. It's because there was this add box trigger stuff. Okay. Load hero info so far. Script file. Parse scene. Oh wow. Not saying that this is not possible, but it's above my pay grade. Let's say this. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, sphere, of course. Entity trigger, sphere. Maybe I can just do trigger now. Zero vac. Okay. So, okay. Trigger. This guy. Trigger register signals. Yeah. What? Triggered. What the heck? What is this trigger stuff then? Force region, update, trigger. vtable is an entity. Raise signal, get absolute position. Oh, it's a signaler. Oh yeah, so yeah, it's a signaler. Okay, let's take a look at trigger then. Trigger, signaler. So export. Cool. I've got the same 0 vec. Export. Who done it? Oh, there's a trigger manager too. Okay, I can do both. Okay, I found the interesting class then. Trigger CPP. I thought I was done with adding files, but it seems that it's an always growing thing. And bam. Okay, hopefully this doesn't break anything. Source files. Trigger CPP. So many errors. Line 43. 43? Why? So I guess I need to include algebra. $32 errors. So yeah, okay. Yeah, this guy, std, vector, std. How am I finding even more? This way. Okay, I'll call find. So find this guy. Okay, this looks fine. Touches sphere. Okay, touches sphere. Portal touches. Yeah, okay. Sorry, man. But that's how you're gonna roll now. I'm sorry. Okay, let's now do trigger. Trigger obj, obyj, so signal list, I guess. I guess. So trigger. Ah, sweet. Oh, it's in register signals. Like signal manager. Okay. Is this the proper memory address of this guy? It is. Oh, sweet. Does this look up to standards? I don't know why this is called this instead of var8. Let's just do the diff checker the lazy way. Huh. But the size is the same, right? Wait, is it just word wrapping incorrectly? Okay, this is just eating lots of dick. Okay, doesn't. Not sure why they look so different. They look the same, to be honest. Oh, it's this guy. Ah, okay. 2018 locals. Oh. What the hell? Where's the edit function thing? Ah. Okay. Looks sweet. So let's just patch it, right? Memory, enter, leave. Construct. Trigger. Oh, it's this guy. Register signal. Okay. Signal manager. Okay. This looks fine. So, okay. Matching. And it's static, so I can go to this guy. Include some of the oh, that's interesting. This should have been here. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, what do I need? Can the music, YouTube is artificially blocking ad blocker, so they add like 5 seconds to the request, or like maybe next supposed to do this really moronic thing. Okay, validate trigger. Unbounded. Patch trigger. Cool. Illegal using expression. Crazy. Oh yeah, true. I forgot that I need 2 instead of 1. Okay. There's nothing to validate, so most update region, right? Oh. Get signal name. Trigger triggered. It will be. They look easy, but I need to find the trigger destructor. So. Okay, trigger doesn't seem to ever be instantiated as is, right? Anonymous. I guess it's this one. Box trigger stuff. Trigger V table, yeah. Okay, this looks the thing, right? Update region. So get signal name. So, okay, here it is. So read trigger read chunk file, null sub. Okay, that's fine. So triggered, it returns 0, right? And yeah, that's exactly it. Okay. Pow, pow. Oh, looks like I've got all of them here. For free? Poly. I just did this. So at least I can, okay. Triggered. Sweet. Okay, but this is not everything, so validate vtable, trigger, triggered, trigger red. So triggered should be 0, 1, wait, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8. Okay. 6, 5, 3, 2, 0. Okay, it's indeed 8. So just by doing this, nice, nice. Git status. I forgot to save workspace and to export makefile. Git status, git add, trigger, triggered. Okay. Oh. What did I do in the register thing? Okay, whatever. So they got pushed together. Let's take a look at others, right? So update region, right? Update region. It's a null sub. So update region. That's 9. Okay, matching. I think it might be worth it to do it this way. Okay, this guy, the region, because I might want to reference them. So it would be nice to have proper names. Okay, so yeah. So git commit date region, and the 10th one is get absolute position 0 vac, which I guess is initialized to 0. Okay, this guy, which is initialized to 0. Okay, this guy, get abs position. Okay, Okay. We call this 0vec. So this is a vector 3D. Called 0vec, yeah. No. Get apps position. Trigger. Yeah, right here. Maybe this guy? Okay, all of them override this. Okay. Now there's one more, which is read, which takes a chunk file. Is this guy. We're here. Oh. No. Okay, that's cool. No, 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 no. This guy. You don't mess up. Cool. What's the other one? It's this guy. Read. Okay, let's go. Read. Okay, matching. Okay. Read. And just do this. And read. What's the offset? No. There we go. Trigger read. Triggered. And then you have the read. So it should be like this. Okay. Nice. So read. Okay. But why is this guy? Oh, that's the construct signal name. That's a different construct signal name. Okay. No, construct signal list. Okay. Signal list. Okay, matching. So this guy. Construct signal list. There you go. So all cool. All willy-nilly. Milli-vanilli. All milli-vanilli. Okay. Okay, git commit. Construct signal list. Okay. There's nothing suspicious about these guys. Trigger. So they are spread around here, right? Let's see if it's the same for this version. It region. So there looks like to be a mishmash of them. So let's just see. Trigger set active. Oh, there's a set active function. Okay, I can look for it very easily. So trigger. God damn it. It's set active. This guy. And that's the v table that I care about, and here's the function. And control call. And there's the stuff. And there's trigger set active. It doesn't look like the same though. What the heck? Is set active defined in the header though? Set active. No. That's what I'm confused about. Okay. What? So this looks like it, right? Not really though. Like it looks exactly like, oh no, it's definitely not that guy. So why are these guys returning different things? The set active, entity live and trigger live. Set use NHR. Okay. Okay, it's this guy. This is the proper one. Always the same function. So yeah. So now you just go here, grab this. I don't see the call though. What is going on though? I've never seen that function though. Call. Okay. So actually that was the function. What? The trigger. Oh, I defined trigger. That's fine. Set active, I guess. Oh. Okay. I'm happy to know this. So active torf. R4. Okay. It indeed has an extra parameter that I cannot see here. Okay, so that's not a destructor, that's leave. Okay. So this is 32, this is 31. Okay. So Mr. Trigger, validate trigger active equals 31. Occupied, it's 32. Nice. So let's define it here. What are they though? Trigger and occupied. Okay. Oh. How do I define this? Edit type. Chart path 30. Bool active. Bool occupied. So, alrighty. So let's just add more validation, shall we? Validate value. What's the expected? Even yesterday I forgot this. My assertions. Expected one. Value for okay. So value for leave should be 1. Signal. So so it's a signal IDT leave. Trigger. Okay. So that's fine. Okay. It looks good. As expected validation validates. Trigger, what's the thing here? Set active. Yeah. God damn. Let's do the same here, right? So struct trigger. Okay, so this looks fine. What do we need? So there's the add region too. Where is add region used? It's used in trigger force region. Okay, force right here, force region. Okay. Force. Why is it? Why is this not working? Is the force region? Ah, of course. Serial in, chunked label. Okay. Create string and yeah, looks like it. And at the end, there's okay. So there's the add region here. I guess some of this is add region. And so let's do trigger pointer, right? And this is the region pointer. Oh, there's a call to region add. Oh. I believe this is region add. No. Maybe not. Trigger update. Oh, wow. It's quite a big one. Oh, I completely missed that trigger is a trigger, right? Is a trigger. Okay. And also take a look at this guy. Hmm. Oh. Yeah, I guess this is right. Fine, I mean. So, trigger, add region. Okay. So region and in regions insert. Okay. Ooh. Steady set. I have no idea what that means. So insert one, pt.3 region. Yeah. So in region seems to be correctly at this spot 24. Okay. But this only makes me more confused. Make the music a little lower. Okay. So validate size, right? STD set of, I don't know, whatever, region pointer, right? Shall be 4. No, it's not 4. It's C. Oh. This will be fun. Is it the same as... So, I actually can figure this one out really easily. Can just go to Toby. Toby. And yeah, disassemble this guy. Yes, load the symbols. Let me just see what I have here. Okay. All right. So there's a red black tree. Node count. I guess that's a function. Where's the data itself? Oh wow. Let's just add here a struct set int A, int B, int C. And put 24. Right? I see, I see. So what does std set offer? So it offers begin and capacity size. Okay, okay, here's the stuff. Okay. So I can okay, that's fine. So now I can do TMP, TMP begin, TMP, and let's just see it this way, right? Just want to be super add is so how do I add it though? It's literally this function. Add region, add insert. Oopsie. So insert, and let's also do this and get this size. So TMP size. We got everything here too. How does this look like here, right? Close, Toby. Vector and list were so simple. I think I'm on the right track, to be honest, but okay. So that's the item count. M header. Bro, look at. Yeah. Header. Okay, that's fine. So add region. This guy. And this looks right. Okay. Is region add good? Uh, why does this region add? Am I going crazy? Oh, trigger. Oh, okay. That explains a lot. So, trigger. Okay. So, to do void fast call func pointer region int e. Oh, entity pointer. Panic return func d0e func pointer func pointer. Good. Now I know that my ass is covered there. Okay. It looks fine. I'm not gonna complain too much. So let's go here to this guy. 24 again. In regions. Let's just do it this way. Bam. Okay. Before. Func. Oh, my bad. It's a function pointer. Cannot convert from. Oh, okay. I'm an idiot. Trigger. That's the one. So let's close it. Doesn't really matter. Trigger. No, okay. So this guy. Trigger. Add region. Yeah, okay. This looks really good. Yeah, I could have just looked at this version. Yeah. When using the same data types, everything just falls into place so naturally. Ella. Yeah, so this guy. This guy. No, this. Yeah, okay. This looks really good. So, this is add region. So, add region. What the heck? Okay. Okay, matching. What else do I need here? Yes, this is fine. So, let's go here and do trigger add region. Good. So commit, trigger, add region. Add region. Okay, that's very nice. Force region. Wait, world pointer is world dynamic systems? Oh wow, I didn't know this. That's very interesting. Here, trigger add region seems to have been inline. So, and maybe do this too. So I didn't know that G world pointer was world dynamic system. So I was avoiding so many things with G world pointer. So world is world dynamic systems. Alrighty. So force region. Okay, the line count. But yeah, this is an STD pair. So let's just also open it here in force region. And force regions trigger. Yeah, okay. It just seems very simple. So what is this gap 30? So it's this 1 byte over here. Trigger occupied and static regions. Okay. So static regions 30. So there's a trigger plus 8. It's this guy. These 3, 4. Right here. So bool static regions. Okay, all good. Good. Now we have this. Why does it look like that, right? So get the terrain, find region. So region node get data. So I need to go to WDS, right? Okay. So get the terrain seems to be git add WDS world dynamics. Get the terrain. Okay, I didn't know this, so what's the terrain? 1, 2, 4. Okay. Too far. Shit. So avoid the terrain. Nice. So and it's around here. Bam. So world dynamic system. Okay, that's fine. There's this get data thing. So region node. I forgot region. Forgot where this came from. Region node. Oh, it's in class. Okay. Region graph. Region graph. Get data. My lord. Get data. So edge data over there. I know, crazy now that I think about this. Class edge. It's a list of edges. Oh well. But that looks fine. Okay, that's a different thing. I guess it's fine, to be honest. Yeah. It might just be slightly different, right? So let's add this guy force region. Okay. Slightly different. Oh wait, find a region. Hey yo. Terrain. I don't think this. Yeah, okay. Say okay. Yeah, this is very crazy. I gotta be honest. The trigger. Force region. Let's just try it out. Okay. What you doing, Unk? Okay, that's done. So time to validate, right? Copy. And now I should start the X window. Alright, you have the debugger. That's cool. This guy. Start. Let's go. Okay, it starts. That's the most important part. Now, does it actually work? That's the $500 million question. It took a jiffy, I don't know why. Chunk can't. So there's the problem. Why? Why, Lord? So git log. Where's the latest? This guy. So git if add patch. So box trigger interface seems to be the first. Patch. Okay. So let's do the easy thing, right? Let's just comment these bad, evil doers. Linking. Yeah, copy. And I wish this didn't crash. But that's too much to ask. Hey, they ported... hey, I didn't read your message, sorry. They ported Mario 64 to the PS1. I remember I saw a video about that, or at least a small excerpt about it. Pretty cool stuff, I gotta say. Maybe, okay, I do have an idea what's causing it, so let's just do it this way. I think it was already ported to the PlayStation 2, if I'm not mistaken. But with the PS1, the problem with the PS1, I don't know if you're still here, but yeah. The problem with the PS1 is that you need to load stuff from disk. While the regular Nintendo can load from cartridge, which is much faster. But it's space constrained. So what used to happen when you have disk-based... Sorry, what? When you have disk-based games... Wait. Cannot load. Could not find. Wait, did it crash? Okay, whatever. So the problem is that it's much slower to load stuff from disk. That's one of the challenges. And you know, when the game was all built around loading stuff from disk, it becomes really tricky to do anything. That's the main challenge, I'd say. Because I'd say that porting the game to the PC is hard because you need to adapt stuff, but nowadays you have RT96 or 64, forgot the name of the thing, that helps to port. So it's basically the Nintendo runtime for Windows. It's basically what it does. Okay, this is really good to see that it works. Okay, all good. With the PS1, I'm a little curious how they are going to deal with the craziness that happens there. But with the discs, a lot of times you had duplicated data. like the way you lay out data on the disk is really important. So that on itself, it's already, you need to be quite knowledgeable about it. So the thing with like developing on PC is that I'd say that, you know, things get cached by the operating system and whatever, so it's quite easy. But for the PS1, I remember there was a lot of culling on the video, so a lot of stuff was getting like cut. So I wonder if they'll manage to work around it. Okay, so it's one of these. Maybe it's first region, right? Okay, let's just try to figure out which one is it. Okay, it seems to be working. Could it be first region? Why is the input not working correctly? Okay. This is not good. The game just crashed. Unknown chunk. Could not find. The game just quit. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Fuck. Did I have anything to do with that? Fuck. Wait. This is annoying. I might have caused issues. Okay, whatever. Okay, I need to fix one thing at a time. So we know it might be add region. Okay. So currently this is quite a sensitive. So it's 2 days in a row that I broke the thing and I need to fix it. So symbols. Where's exit? Exit. Bro, just show me the... Let's just go here and look for imports. Imports, exit. Exit, quit, exit process. Okay, this guy. Okay, let's go, right? Okay, we have an exception. That's cool. Swing room. Okay. So which one of those two causes the issue, right? Is it add region? Wait, if it's add region, then add region is there twice, so it cannot be add, like, it can be add region, but it's kind of weird if it's add, no, yeah. That's the thing, because first region calls add region. Yeah, okay, indeed. That was very stupid on my end. So, do I know whether this is even called right? Oh, let's just do this. Wait, this is not done yet. So, add region puts no check-in. Fuck. Okay, let's just do it this way. And F7. I don't think I actually copied. Yeah, I didn't. Okay. I always thought reading from was no. Yeah, it's messed up. Texture models are rare and they have to deal with floating. Yeah, that's the. I don't know if. Yeah, so on PS1 you have fixed point arithmetic, and I don't know how that translates to a game with floating point. Kind of crazy to think about that. I think I would have gone crazy. So the function add region is never called from what I'm seeing. That's not good. Okay, you can quit now. Did it quit with error code? Okay, now it quit with error code -0. Something made it quit with error code -1. I can have so when it quits with -1, right? Call not find memory. Debug print called. Oh. What is this debug print call? Right? Okay, so force region, add region doesn't seem to be called. That's a big problem. So then why did Sony opt for disk instead of cartridge? Was it's storage size and cheaper. So with cartridges you need to make your, you need to put a lot more money, and Sony was already on the disc business, with music and stuff. But one of the reasons, I don't think it was ever stated by Nintendo, is that with a custom cartridge format, it's basically also works as anti-piracy, because anyone can read a disc and write to a disc, right? But with a cartridge you need specialized hardware, so it's a way to curb piracy. Yeah, and since discs were made both for let's say other types of entertainment, it's much cheaper, right? And Nintendo, even when they had discs, like for the GameCube, they had these stupid mini discs, which I don't think it's a proper term. They are not actually mini discs. But mini discs, I mean, in the sense of it's a special, how do I say, special terminology, what it actually means to be mini disc. Yeah, okay. Add region. So nothing calls. Okay, that's force region. So my force region seems to be wrong or faulty, right? That's a shame. How can I fix this? But it looks so good overall. D11. Okay. I guess this is the V12. No, it's literally the thing that's going on. Header, yeah. In regions 9, yeah. So 9 times 4, yeah, 24, yeah. But there's this big if F5, right? Huh. But yeah. Yeah, okay, this logic seems sane though. Nothing here seems too crazy. Okay, maybe it's force region goofy. So why does it have 3 parameters there, right? Force region, string. Oh, takes a string X. So string X. No, not you. String X. Set the type. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Why is this check not present? Like, hmm. Oh, okay. Maybe it has nothing to do with me. What's that R thing, right? Oh my god. I think I know what's the problem. Region trigger. I don't think that's... I don't think that should... That's a trigger, right? R. Yeah, add region R. And see, add region. Oh, wait. Ah, no, it adds this. Okay. Add trigger, yeah, that's fine. I was going crazy there for a moment. What's the matter? Why is this not working? God damn it. Okay, let's do the... Let's do it this way. Put no checking. So I need to validate this. First region. Okay, first region. Okay, this looks fine. That's the weird part. Is that everything looks kind of okay. There's like, it's definitely the first region, but why? I don't know. And not only that, something is making the game crash. So, not good. So, go. What? No, okay. First region is not... Okay, first region was not there. What? It did not get... Okay. It was not crashing, so okay. First region is now... Okay. So let me see what will happen if I do this. Continue. No check-in, find region. Okay. So it's indeed fine. So can I break it down? So trigger, find region. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Oh my. G world point. Oh, man, I deserve to get shot sometimes. It's just the same bug as yesterday. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. It's the same bullshit. Okay. So WDS, right? G world. Okay, this guy. Okay, actually, yeah, not here. Define get world ptr, and you can do this, or to do fix when all cables are replaced. I don't think this will happen soon, but at least world dynamic systems. Oh my walking god. That's what happens when you're not thinking. Okay. This guy. Nice. So get world pointer. Now it should work. Yeah. Let's just, well, this rebuilds, let's just grab for it, right? Global. Get G world pointer. I already have that in global. Wait, I should definitely get G world pointer. Okay, definitely I should remove this. Let's see how many things break. Because I should replace it with get world pointer. Oh, nothing broke so far? Nothing broke. It's the biggest rebuild of all time. For errors, okay. Undeclared identifier. Okay, that's cool. So WDS. And yeah, I'm stupid. So this thing is a pointer to pointer. Oh, it's in signal. Signal CPP. Get world pointer. Get. Okay, it's only here. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. But I'm not happy with that random mass crash that I was getting. -1. What's the problem now? In signal. What? 41. Get world pointer. Oh, yeah, that's true. I need WDS. WDS. I guess this is now fine. Yeah, okay. Oof. Okay. It was an old dereference. Or whatever dereference. Because it contains shit data, so I don't know what actually was happening there, but whatever. So it should work though. So load. Okay, it's working. Oh, okay. So you can see. Let's just do this and hopefully it doesn't crash. No, it didn't crash. You saw all the things. Okay. Okay, that's cool. So let's just beat these guys now. Oh, that's a combo. He's already dead, and I keep killing him. So something was killing the game with -1, which was scaring me. Like a slow memory corruption, right? Okay, this looks fine. The argument. What's the argument though? Log. Yeah. I'm not happy with this. Could not find memory. But when can I have the full log here? Okay. Notepad. What was causing it though? So, right. So, process stopped with exit code. Okay. That's the thing. Debug string. Could not find. Okay. Damn it. Oh. Oh, this is the error context. Okay. dummy1 TI, TPM. Unknown chunk type, no words. Dummy1 text mesh. I have no idea what that is. Unknown trigger type. Oh, not you. What did I do to cause it though? I don't really remember how I made it crash. But yeah, this looks fine, I guess. So maybe what I need to do, so I'm adding work for future me, because future me is the most reliable of all time. Is the game crashing like that? And learn to capture that shit. To capture it. Okay. Don't want to get anyone offended. No, but GitHub might ban my account if I have swears. Alrighty. I'm happy with the result. Git diff. So this was so stupid. Get world pointer. Oh, I have a bunch of no check-ins that I need to. Git diff. Yeah. That's it. Git commit. Trigger force region. Git status. Okay. There's a good pace today. I think I'm closing on the 3 hour. No, it's 2 hours. Okay, that's fine. Git push. All good. Validation works. Save it. Save this guy. Don't save that guy. Okay, save this guy. So what I'm thinking about is that I might need to watch a little bit of my stream to see what's going on, right? Align heap overflow. Ah, align heap overflow. What? Forcing vertex shading. That's interesting. So I did something that messed up everything. Could not find the memory for. Okay. That's crazy. So I made something that made it run out of memory. IDBs, Python, backup. Okay. It's fine. Now let's just get changes today. It started so chill. Yeah, with this guy. It took a while until I started to actually add code. And yeah, it just started flowing in. Planes, I have no idea what this guy is doing. Sure. Okay, yeah. Trigger CPP, yeah, I just added, yeah, you won't be able to see this, sadly. What I actually just added in this stream, load diff, okay, that's fine. So it built and validated, right? Yeah, 48 seconds, really good, okay. Before you go, you should all go to my amazing blog to learn more about what I'm doing. And yeah, that's basically it for today. I'd like to wish everyone a good evening. And yeah, see you on the next stream. Bye.